I told us that the situation in the Middle East is definitely going to escalate, right? The breaking news is that United Arab Emirates, UAE, has launched a retaliatory strikes against Iran. A few days ago, Iran launched surprisal attack on UAE. So they have responded by hitting some key locations deep inside Iran, places like Qashem Island and Syria. I don't know if I pronounced that very well. Meanwhile, Israel, on the other hand, through their local channels, denied involvement. Israel said they were not part of the attacks. I don't know why and what they are denying. They are scared because Iran is ready to give everyone the equal dose of their madness. The United States, on the other hand, is also denying involvement. They said they are not part of it. They don't know anything about the attack against Iran. Meanwhile, there are many sources claiming that the US collaborated with the UAE armed forces to launch those attacks. The US helped them in coordination and every other thing in order for them to carry that attacks against Iran. Well, there's no how the US will deny not being part of it. Their fingerprint is all over it. This is what they want. And for the US and Israel denying, why are they denying? They have spent the last 1 month begging countries to join them in the war, right? They'll be begging countries to join them in the war against Iran. Now UAE have come forward. They've even sent a message. They are not just speaking this time around. They have attacked Iran. I think it's a very big opportunity for US and Israel to join forces with United Arab Emirates and go ahead and attack Iran. So why are they denying? They have been begging countries to join. Now a country has joined. They are denying that they were not part of the attack. Are they afraid? Well, we shall see. Explosions were heard in Bandar Abbas, Iran, though they said it was as a result of air defense system intercepting drones coming from wherever they are coming from, probably from United Arab Emirates. So that's the cause of the explosion. Saudi Arabia and the Kuwait have lifted the restrictions which they placed on the United States, which prevented the United States from using their airspace to conduct or enforce the so-called Operation Project Freedom. Right, Saudi Arabia has lifted those restrictions. So the US can go ahead and use the airspace of these countries to attack Iran. That's what it means. And the reason why they lifted the restriction is simply because the US promised them that they are going to support them in their retaliatory strikes against Iran. They are going to support them anytime they wish to attack Iran. So just a promise, which you and I know that is never going to happen. Right. The only support they are going to give to all these countries in the Gulf region in order to attack Iran is just to sell weapons to them. They are not going to be at the forefront. In fact, this is what the US always wanted. They want to set these countries ablaze. They want to set the entire Middle East ablaze. Especially now that they have bared a very severe loss. Iran has cut them so deep. They have lost almost all their facilities in the region, especially their military bases and all these expensive